Bitcoin futures. Bitcoin futures pulled back this week in consolidation. I put in a couple of extra lines this week, which correspond with the all-time high here and the main highs. I'll show you what I mean. If we go back to the previous, they're the previous highs there. This is where I said that supply would be drawn out from the left from all this congestion here in the background. Here's the all-time high, and here's the highs of the range really through here, where there was supply drawn out here and the market retreated. It attempted to consolidate. When it pushed higher, there was very little demand in the market. The buyers were exhausted pretty much here, and price broke down on this bar here. You could probably draw a line in through there as well. And for fun, we'll put it in and see what comes up. $53,625. There you go. That lines up almost perfectly with this level here, where price pushed up to that level, pulled back in consolidation. Actually, buying support came in there. There was no real consolidation. That was strong buying support. The demand kept the spread very narrow, and in response, the following week, price broke out. It broke out up to the highs of the range. Then price pushed up to the all-time highs. It's found supplies being drawn out here, and now price has come back in consolidation mode and closed this week right at the highs of the previous range. So that all makes really good sense. It's really understandable. Now, volume is still pretty high this week, so you'll probably find there's further consolidation required. Perhaps early in the week, a little test for supply like that within this bar's range, and just to see how much supply is drawn out. If selling pressure continues to be drawn out, price will be forced to move a little deeper and challenge those sellers. But if there's not much supply being drawn out, you may find trading just neutrally sideways here, absorbing supply within this sort of level. And if the market is actually really strong, you may see price push up a little higher towards the end of next week. I don't think it's going to rocket higher immediately. You have had supply drawn out up here, and price does need a couple of weeks for consolidation, and volume was above average this week. You'd prefer it to be a little lower. You'd like it to be average or slightly lower when price pulls back to show you that selling pressure is low, and then that will allow the market to push higher on a path of least resistance in the coming weeks. So let's see what comes up this week. Let's see how much supply is drawn out. I expect the market will consolidate for another week, or at least early next week, and then respond depending on how much supply is drawn out.